Height of the ash and gas column reached 5,000 meters. Local residents share footage of the natural phenomenon on social networks.
噴煙を上げております。
Ashfall occurred in nearby settlements. There were no reports of casualties. Sakurajima is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Located on the Osumi Peninsula of Kyushu Island in Kagoshima Prefecture. Near the volcano in the city of Kagoshima with a population of about 600,000 people. Due to its explosive potential, the volcano is under close surveillance. Its largest eruption occurred between 1471 and 1476 as well as in 1914.